Then?
I won't let it go.
What's wrong? You talk to him?
Cool.
Hey.
Are you the mama? Oh, that's...
Put it back in the water. So I can...
We're going to put it on the stringer so we can eat it.
That's what you do.
That's what we do with fish.
No! It's part of nature!
We said she was going to catch the biggest one. What a girl.
He did.
And did you catch your very first ever fish? He's so little.
He's like
Look at that, Henry.
whale. It's like a whale.
Like a whale.
Yeah, that's a whale. I got a fishy.
How big is it?
It's a big 100 pounds. 100 pounds.
Zoe, get it! Yay! He's scared, yeah. Oh! Come, make me go! There you go!
Tegan's first fish.
You got him, look.
Look, get it!
Boy, girl.
Smile, look at me and smile. Oh, don't! Okay, go down there. Hold on to Grandpa's leg. Here comes your fish, Quinn.